This Morning presenter, Alison Hammond, 48, recently flew to Tunisia for a little rest and relaxation. She has shared a video and multiple photos on Instagram documenting her adventures. The television star appeared slimmer than ever as she flashed a large smile to the camera, as well as a more laid-back appearance, compared to the styles often seen in the studio. She showcased various casual looks, including a black blouse, patterned shirt, light-washed jeans and an all-black outfit with a flowing kimono-style duster. Holly Willoughby pulls out of This Morning with worrying health update. In one clip of the video, the star was seen jamming to some music by local musicians, and in another, she was unrecognizable as she drove a quad bike whilst wearing a balaclava. She posted, "Some much-needed rest for me in Tunisia, thanks at one of the beach holidays for my last-minute stay at Phoenicia_hotel_TTS, can't wait to go back. Met some lovely people and feel well rested and chilled #gifted. Sick, on the beach, who gifted the experience, also commented, "Looks amazing Alison, thanks for choosing OTB." Fans quickly replied with many comments stating how it looked amazing. One person commented, "Just the lovely reset you were needing Alison. I hope all the negative Nellies are back in their boxes now." 30. Sick, the television star recently received some negative attention following remarks about attitudes in the theatre. Whilst chatting with co-presenter Dermot O'Leary, 49, Alison stated she was upset about the new rules preventing people from singing during theatre performances. The conversation referenced the performance of The Bodyguard in Manchester that ended 10 minutes earlier than planned. Police had to be called to break up an audience riot when fans of the show refused to stop singing. Don't miss Paul O'Grady's funeral to be held at favorite safari park. Update, Mia Farrow's unkind Harry and Meghan post sparks backlash. Reaction, Prince Edward rushed to the aid of bedridden Ulrika Jonsson. Latest, Alison's commented, "Theatre staff are regularly walking up and down the aisles before the performance and during the interval with no singing signs. I mean, I can't believe it, I'd be devastated." After receiving 66 Ofcom complaints, she eventually apologized on Twitter. "I want to apologize to anyone who I offended, especially the incredibly talented theatre performers, who I have the utmost respect for," she said. Alison confirmed in the apology that she had visited the performance with her family, which she absolutely loved and gave a standing ovation. Her statement, posted a few days after the show aired, saw the star wanting to use my platform for good as always and want to stand up for performers. She ended the apology to fans with, "Trust me, I will do better in the future." Despite upsetting some, Alison seems to still have impressed many, including ITV bosses, according to sources who spoke with the Mail on Sunday. Viewing her as the future, audiences were delighted with the Alison and Holly Willoughby, 42, chemistry when regular presenter Philip Schofield, 61, was on holiday.